Close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to be homeless. The sweat drips down your dirty face, your throat burns from dehydration, and there isn't a drinking fountain in sight. Your belly grumbles and growls. Your feet are barely covered, blistered and bleeding as you march forward to find a shady place to rest. This is just a moment in time for a person experiencing homelessness. Direct Aid for Homeless is helping people on the streets live another day. The problem of homelessness in the valley is growing and expanding. Since 2013, the number of unsheltered people experiencing homelessness has increased by 210% in Mesa. The average age of a person experiencing homelessness is 45. Direct Aid for Homeless runs a community-based outreach program in downtown Phoenix. 5 nights a week, volunteers meet at Bible Baptist Church on McDowell and 7th Street and travel to 3 different parks to distribute items to people in need of aid. A typical night, we hand out food, snacks, waters, towels, blankets, hygiene items, shoes, backpacks, clothes, books, dog food, and other items. Our team consists of me, Mike, a USA veteran, and our wonderful volunteers. As the homeless population grows, so does our outreach program. Mike and I have run out of storage space. We are asking for $2,500 towards renting a storage unit. Our solution of growing and expanding our program will save taxpayer dollars as well as continue a much-needed service. Both the community and the people living on the streets will benefit. Having the storage unit will allow us to expand and grow exponentially. Midwest Food Bank has made special food boxes specifically for our program. Midwest Food Bank has also just started receiving fruits and vegetables, as well as new shoes. The storage unit would allow us to have room to set up a new team in different parts of the valley. It would also be a place for community members to meet and drop off donated items. Having the storage unit would allow us to Our community-based outreach program is giving people the tools they need to get the help they need. It's based off of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. A person can't walk 5 miles to shelter if they are hungry, dehydrated, and do not have shoes. By providing people with basic needs, they are being connected to resources and the support to go follow up. No one organization can solve homelessness. It takes a team. Here's our outreach startup cost. Our long-term goal is to open a relief center with showers, laundry services, and job placement. There is such a need out there on the street. All of our leftover money will be saved and used to purchase land for a relief center and to continue our outreach program. Here's a timeline for the next few months. As a full-time college student, life can get pretty crazy. That is why I find it critical to set small, obtainable goals. As an organization, I ask my team members to treat each person they encounter on the streets in a caring and respectful fashion, to be mindful of the individual's differences and cultural and ethnic diversity. I remind our volunteers that we seek to enhance the capacity and the opportunities to change and to address their own needs. At the end of the day, they are just people, just like you and me.